Are you helping me, Ma?
I was a great father.
Oh, yeah. You gave us great inspiration, great advice. Quit crying, you got plenty of blood.
Don't screw up, you're big. Everyone will notice more.
You done? Goodbye.
Wait! You can't leave this way.
Out of my way, sister.
I may be new here, but I know this family well enough to know that you boys love each other, and I know exactly what you need.
What are you doing? He'll leak you.
I think you boys need to hug.
What? I'm getting out of here.
Your hug, Sam Lickman, you can hug your sons.
I hadn't seen him for 30 years. If you people go away for 30 years, I'll hug you too.
I don't want to be hugged.
All right. I think Marie and Amy are right. A lot of the problems in this family wouldn't exist if there was a little more hugging and a little less yelling. So, Frank, hug your sons!
Get over there.
Here,
Get off me!
I'm uncomfortable with this.
Trust me, you need this. Open yourself up to genuine affection.
Your wife is so queer.
I know.
Okay, come on. Let's go. Put your arms around each other. Come on.
I'm late for lunch. The lodge will know I'm missing.
You better hope that your lodge is open for 3 meals a day for the rest of your life. If you don't hug these boys, my kitchen is closed.